In this video we are going to teach you how to check your blood glucose level at home. Make sure you watch till the end. Everyone with diabetes must, and others should, test their blood sugar levels. Knowing the results lets you adjust your strategy for keeping the disease in check. It's important for blood glucose levels to stay in a healthy range. If glucose levels get too low, we can lose the ability to think and function normally. If they get too high and stay high, it can cause damage or complications to the body over the course of many years. Blood glucose or blood sugar monitoring is the primary tool you have to find out if your blood glucose levels are within your target range. This tells you your blood glucose level at any one time. Glucometer is the modern point-of-care testing or POCT testing device used to measure blood glucose level at home. Other than that, you need a Lancet device, Lancet, glucometer strips and alcohol wipes. And also, you need a logbook to record your blood glucose values. Before testing, wash your hand by using soap and dry it well. If you like, you can clean your finger with an alcohol wipe. But some people skip this step when they are testing blood glucose at home. Then, insert the glucometer strip into the glucometer. Here, make sure that you enter the correct side of the strip into the glucometer. Then prick the side of your fingertip with the Lancet in the Lancet device. Then gently squeeze or massage your finger until a drop of blood forms. You will feel less pain when pricking the side of your finger than the tip of your finger, and don't squeeze your finger forcefully, it may lead to create false results. Touch and hold the edge of the test strip to the drop of blood, and the meter will display your blood glucose level on the screen after a few seconds. Keep records of all your test results. This may help you to monitor your blood glucose level over time and track any changes of your records. It is recommended to test blood glucose levels in the morning after 8 hours of fasting. This provides information about blood glucose levels before a person eats or drinks anything. Taking blood glucose readings before eating provides a baseline number. Or you can test your blood sugar level 2 hours after a meal. Post-meal testing gives a good idea about how the body reacts to food and if sugar can reach the cells efficiently. Blood glucose readings after a meal can help to diagnose gestational diabetes, which happens during pregnancy. The reference ranges for blood glucose levels differ from glucometer to glucometer. But if you experienced unusually high results, you should need to meet a doctor for further consultation.